Hello everyone, my name is Elke Robshaw and I'm the Chief Play Officer at Kong Academy. And I also started the movement group Joy of Movement. We started, I can't remember, maybe 2 months ago. And so I had a pilot group that was 4 weeks and we had around 15 women in it. But then I also collected email addresses and contact details of women that contacted me over the last 2 months and said that they were interested. And so I've been sending out an email every week. And the interesting part is I have around 40 women on my list that all reached out to me and said, hey, I'm interested. So if you're getting this email, you are one of them. And the interesting part is that no one outside the pilot group has joined so far. So I'm wondering why that is the case. And I also started a coaching certificate for health coaching, and I have 4 volunteer clients that are going through the journey with me. And one of the things I've learned is that one of the things people are really worried about is starting something, because we are not very good when we start something new, and we don't like this, and we don't like this feeling, or we are anxious about this feeling that when we start something new we don't know what to expect and we'll probably won't be very good at it, and just this idea is not very comforting. And so we don't start this week. We maybe start next week, or maybe next month, or once summer is over, or I don't know, once it's cold, or once it's warmer, or once it's sunnier, or once the rain stops or something. So there is always a better time to start something in our head, and in reality the best time to start something is now. There's no better time than now. And something else is that when you start something new, you are not going to be good at it. It's just something that there are very, very, very few people who are good right from the beginning. Most people are not good at the beginning, and that is perfectly fine, because that's where we start. You cannot start in the middle of something. That's the whole point of starting. You start at the beginning, and then you practice it and you work on it, and then you get better, and then eventually you get to the middle where you're better. But you cannot expect to be good at something at the start. And it's like so many people then try something new, and then after 2 or 3 times they are not where they think they should be, and then they give up, because it's like this, oh, I'm just not very good at this. But it's funny, because how many parents would tell their toddler after they fell down 10 times or 50 times, it's like, you know what, I don't think you're very good at this walking thing. I think that's not for you. Maybe you shouldn't practice walking. You just keep falling over. It's really not, you're not great at that. No one would do that. But when we do something new, it's very similar. We are in a very similar position that our toddlers were all those years ago. We start something, we're gonna fall over, and we're not gonna be good at it, and we're gonna look ridiculous, and it's all absolutely okay. So that was my piece of wisdom for today. Start at the beginning, be okay with not being good. It's actually fun. It's so much fun not to be good. It's great, because there's no pressure. There's absolutely zero pressure on you to perform or to be able to do something. It's great. The beginning is always so much fun. So if you're interested, I have my first virtual class this week is tomorrow at 6:30, and the in-person class is on Thursday at 6 p.m. and we will be at Gasworks Park again this week. And then I have another virtual class on Friday at 9:30. So if you're interested, and if you just want to try it, if you don't want to spend any money, that's absolutely fine. Just drop in. Let me know beforehand so that I can prepare. But I don't. It's if you don't want to have a financial commitment, just join once and see how you like it. And yeah, that's it. And again, and if you don't want to be on the list anymore, if you don't want to receive the weekly email, then let me know as well, and then I just take you off. That's absolutely fine. I don't want to spam you with emails. Okay, that was me for today. Have a wonderful evening, and I hope to see some or all of you at some point this week or later this summer. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.